Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Street Fighter 6 offline on PlayStation 4. To begin, simply launch the game without an internet connection. You will automatically be directed to the main menu, where several exciting offline options await. These include engaging single-player experiences and thrilling local versus battles. We will guide you through setting up your console for maximum enjoyment, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted gaming session. For solo players, Street Fighter 6 offers robust offline content. Dive into the expansive World Tour mode, an immersive story where you create your own avatar and learn fighting styles. Hone your techniques in the training room, practicing combos and special moves against a customizable dummy. Additionally, test your might in arcade mode, battling a series of computer-controlled opponents across 8 stages to unlock character endings. Gather a friend for intense local versus battles. Simply connect a second PlayStation 4 controller, navigate to the versus menu, and select local match. You can then choose from a diverse roster of over 18 unique characters, each with distinct fighting styles. Customize your experience by adjusting settings such as the number of rounds, the time limit for each round, and your preferred battle stage for endless fun. To ensure the best offline experience, always keep your PlayStation 4 system software updated to the latest version. If you have purchased any additional character or costume packs, download them while online to access them offline. Regular practice is key to mastering Street Fighter 6. Dedicate time to the training room to refine your combos and understand character matchups. Enjoy countless hours of offline fighting fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.